Hey, this is David, the other half of DP Fishing. Phil is at home today. I'm out with my buddy John Mendoza. We're out in his boat. Normally we're kayak fishing, but we're out in John's boat today trying to catch some reds at Calaveras. It's Monday morning, October 9th, about 60 degrees, and no wind, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, got our first redfish on in the morning.
That's a good one.
All right. All right. That's our first one of the day. It's probably right about 29 to 30 inches long. Good fish.
Really good fish.
As you can plainly see the casting. He's growing up because he's using a bait caster, so he's slowly becoming a man. But he has issues with it.
Like that, Dad?
That's better. All right. Oh, I don't know. We got him. I think it should be a small thing.
Medium size.
Oh, the rat red. Pretty fish. Way too small.
Always when you're on the phone. My daughter just called me, and I thought I got hung up. It hit it so dang hard. You ever want to catch a fish? Get on the phone. Nice, good red. Nice, good size red. That's a good one. Daddy is happy. This is why we fish Calaveras, right here. Huh? Let's get a measure. $27 3/4. That's one of the best parts of having a fishing show is your battery dies on your good catch. It's awesome. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This is another monster. Caught up in my net here a little bit. I got to get this fixed. But it'll allow us time to get him measured. And I'm going to say he's over 27. We are about to find out. Yeah, didn't want to lie. 28 1/4. So he's another monster. Very, very happy.
Friday morning I'm up before the crack of dawn. Half a day at the grindstone, I'll be on my way. I've got my beer in my box and my boat's hooked up. We're ready